Today we're going to learn how to connect your iPhone via Bluetooth to your new 911. Let's get started. There's a couple of different ways to do this. One is phone and another is devices. We're going to start with phone first. Select that for you. And of course, start search. On your mobile device, open Settings. And here you can see your phone pop up. Select it on the PCM. You'll have a pairing request on your mobile device. Select Pair. Would you like to allow your favorites to sync? Allow. Allow Connect to CarPlay. I'm going to select Connect. A new device is detected. Would you like to connect using Apple CarPlay? I'll say yes. The second way to connect your iPhone via Bluetooth is going to be through the Devices menu. Select the icon here, and then Connect New Devices here at the top, and then Connect New Phone. On your mobile device, select the Settings icon, and then Bluetooth. You'll see the 911 pop up there. Select it. You'll have a pairing request on your mobile device. Select Pair. On the PCM, you can select Accept. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Select Allow. Would you like to connect to Apple CarPlay? You can turn on Wi-Fi and connect, or use Bluetooth only. We'll turn on Wi-Fi and connect. A new device is detected. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay with this device? Yes, I would. Now you'll see we have two Apple devices connected. Highlighted in blue is the phone we just connected. It's connected to Apple CarPlay. Now, Apple CarPlay will take over the phone duties from your mobile device, and so that is why this is white and that's blue. However, as you can see here, if I want to make a phone call from my phone not using Apple CarPlay, I just need to select this button here. And you'll notice this is now white and that's now blue, and it's also now the primary phone. Now, say for instance, what if I wanted to change the Apple CarPlay here to the Porsche phone? I can do so by selecting that CarPlay icon. We'll go back to the Devices menu. The same thing works with the Bluetooth player. Say for instance, I wanted to use the Bluetooth player on the personal phone. As you can see, that doesn't work. So how do we fix that? It's very easy. Turn off Apple CarPlay. And now you can see this is highlighted. Therefore, you can select it to be able to use Bluetooth audio on that phone now. Also here on the left-hand side, you can favorite a phone if you so choose. We'll favorite the Porsche phone. Now, what if you would like to delete a phone from your list? Very easy. Put your finger here on the line, swipe to the left. You now can connect your Apple devices via Bluetooth to your new 911.